Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you're afraid of the elements that attack your skin, then you need this awesome spray from THERAPISPA. This is a spray serum that will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. I really love that this bottle has lots of great ingredients for my skin. It has panthenol in it, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide that help me to feel like my face is rejuvenated and refreshed. The spray bottle is really easy to use and to hold, giving you a nice spray that you can walk into and instantly feel refreshed. I like using this either as my serum under my makeup or during the day when my skin starts to feel dry. I do a little bit of a spray and I automatically feel completely refreshed. This is so much better than using just water because it helps me feel like my skin has been really comforted and blanketed. It's soft, it feels plump under it, and it has a really nice glow as well. Now don't be fooled, this says that it's the gold, but when you spray it, you will not have any kind of glitter on your face. Rather, it just gives you a nice youthful glow. If you're looking to feel rejuvenated and to be able to refresh anytime during the day, you will love using this spray. I love it, but that's just my point of view.